Draw. Kettle. One. This cupboard is our food cupboard.
Go. Welcome back, guys. This is our 1998 VW T4. Now, we bought this van for £6,000. We spent £1,000 doing it up for all of our adventures in Cornwall. We are here today at Porchester Castle. If you notice the castle in the background, let's show you the van. There she is. Right, what have we got, Ray? What have we got?
What do you want to see? Inside the cupboard.
Yeah, let's shut this window. It's rather windy today. Right, the full van tour.
So inside here, water.
Yeah, we've got our water storage.
And our storage unit for all our bits and bobs that we use.
And where do we get this from?
The range.
The range. It did come, I think, was it 10 or 20 quid?
No, it was 20 quid, but add another.
Yeah, there's another tier on
level
top,
on
but you can unclip the tiers. And obviously we've got the sink under there. So show them what we got packed up, Ray. Fits perfectly in there. It's all our bits and bobs.
Frying pan, utensils, cups. Dun, dun, dun.
Whoa, little hot plate from Tenerife. Right.
Second drawer, kettle, glasses,
Saucepan.
The bottom one, plates. Bowls,
Yeah.
knives, forks, scissors, lighter, and it won't go back in.
It's the essentials.
I won't shut it properly.
Right. Next bit of storage, Jen. What's next?
This little bit of storage with the curtain. Just pull it back. So it's a bit of a hot mess.
It's not tidy, but that's where our gas lives. That's all of our camping bowl. Actually, take that out. We're showing the gas hookup in there. Show them what we got stashed. Got all the bits and bobs. Heater. Anyone else use a heater?
Heater. Shopping bags.
Yeah, it shows a bit of shopping.
And
it's our little dish drainer.
yeah. So
Pop that up. Show them how it works. This is absolute fantastic little bit of kit.
Down.
So when you've done your washing on the campsite, and there's a drain plug there, and you spin that round, and all the water
Drains off.
drains off. Good bit of kit that is. It all folds up.
Good little buy.
Yes, good like that. Right, is that everything?
Yeah.
All right, I'll get the torch in here so everyone can see
Is there anything else in there?
the gas canister all strapped up. And we've got our other plug socket. Oh yeah, there is stuff. There's toilet rolls.
Toilet rolls, because
barbecue. You've got to have a barbecue in there.
You always need toilet rolls.
Yep. Right. Right. What we got at top, right?
So in this cupboard is our food cupboard. We've just got a tray. Oh, and our first aid kit.
First aid kit, yeah.
Obviously, we'll have more food than that when we actually go away, but that's just some staples.
And in this cupboard, this is where our clothes go.
Shoes and clothes.
Right, let's have a look underneath then, Rag.
Oh lordy, it's windy. Right, am I pulling it all out?
Yeah, there's our ramps to keep
Right,
the
so we've got ramps.
level ground.
A box of essentials.
Yeah, the electrics.
Fuses and stuff in there, things that we might need.
Yeah, and that's all the jack and tools all under there. Right, let's get that out. We got our
Window covers.
thermal covers. Don't have to pull this out. That
Cool in the
is
summer, warm in the winter.
inflatable mattress. That's the air pump for the paddle boards, and that's our little Hoover. Hoover! Space saving extravaganza. See if she can get it back in properly.
Of course she can. Is that right?
Looks good.
How did you get that in there?
Because I used to play Tetris,
So did
and I was the
I.
king of Tetris. That's it.
And then cover it back up. Looks like it's not even there. She says just cover it up.
Yeah, the van's got 78,000 miles on it. And it's just had its MOT this week. Just needed what did it need? A ball joint, and there was a bit of wiring issue with this indicator. But she's good to go again.
Yep.
Ta-da!
Oh, it's so windy.
The world famous swivel seat. That's not going to swivel now because I'm trying to record that way. Ugh.
The basket.
Damn basket. Who put that there?
That'd be me.
There we go.
Dunno.
Right, let's see how well the rock and roll bed gets set up. Let's count how many seconds it takes me. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's this bloody seatbelt. And again, what's occurring there? Ah. Oh well. And that. Oh. This is your domain. Bed sheet that don't fit. It's your turn next. This is a competition now. Oh, it's ripped. Yeah. Don't know what that is. Yeah. Oh, the mercy. How many minutes are we on? It's the world record, this is. Ta-da!
Doesn't that look cozy and appointed?
Now, as per usual with us, this fan tour has turned into a challenge. Who can set the bed up the quickest? Now, you've seen my go. Now, let's watch Reagan's go. Wait.
Oh.
No cheating. All right, let's give her a countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, she's struggling. She's struggling. Oh, the sheet's going on.
You've wrecked the sheet.
Watch out, there's a pin there.
Where?
Under there. Where's that come from?
You're
In the
trying
house.
to. You're trying to stop
No, there
me.
was a pin. I was trying to save you.
Trying to stop. Oh yeah, no, it doesn't.
I think she's
doesn't.
winning. I've already ripped the bed sheet. Oh, she's doing good. She's doing good. We've just surmised that a single bed sheet doesn't fit.
We can confirm single bed sheets are not any good.
Oh, we're gonna have to check the timing on this. I think it's close. Ta-da! There we go. Anyway, that's the van with the bed set up. Lay down then, Ray. Show them how long it is.
Oh, because I'm the longest person.
Yeah, but it does fit perfectly, two of us. Sleep in there nicely, don't we?
I'm only little though.
Yeah. Perfect.
And I can lay out as well.
Yeah. Plenty of room, isn't there?
Yeah.
Now I think it's time for a cup of tea. Cheers, campers. Happy journeys. If you know, you know. Stops the old moisture. Got a little skull plant. Everybody knows what this is buttons for, don't we? Come on. When the wife starts getting too big for her boots, you've got to hit that eject button.
You're talking rubbish again.
A little set up in the front. My custom gear knob. Yeah. do the video on the Hessian wrap. Got to put the other one in on that side.
A bit hard, hasn't it?
Look at that. Bob's your uncle. That's the old Dometic fridge. If you'd like to see the full van build series, click this box here. You'll be able to watch every step of our van conversion.